Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to embed your YouTube video on your blog or website or anywhere, and with the help of embedding you can show your YouTube video on other platform apart from YouTube to your viewers. That's the purpose of embedding, but with the help of this plugin you can make the embed much easier and with more advanced option. So that is what we are going to see right now. So let's say this is the video that I want to embed. And to embed, I have to click on this TubeBuddy plugin icon. Here you can see an option advanced embed. Just click on it, and here you can see the list of options that is shown here. With the help of this option, you can make the embed more advanced. So let me explain what are all the options and how you can use it. So this one is a size. So they have given 3 different sizes. This is height, and the first one 560 is a width and 315 is a height. Another one for 640 into 360, 853 into 480, and 1280 into 720. So if you're not happy with this fixed size, you can make it custom. So if you want to make the height as 700 and want to make the width as 900, you can see it's making the changes in the embed code, and all you need to do is just click on this copy embed icon and paste it on your personal blog or website. And this one is to take the middle portion or only the front portion of a video to the user. So let's say I have a full-length video for 15 minutes, but I just want to show only the partial portion from 3 minutes to 6 minutes to my viewers. I can do with help of this option. So all you need to do is just click on the start minute. So if you want to start your video at 3 minutes, just click on 3. And if you want to stop your video at 5 minutes 35 seconds, just click on here. So you can see that it changed the code, embed code accordingly. And this option is for autoplay video. So as soon as your viewers or visitors enter into your website or blog, it start playing the video that you've embedded on particular blog post. So if you enable this one, and this one is a loop video, if you enable this one, after your YouTube video successfully played, it will start from the beginning and keep on playing until the user exit your blog post. This one is a auto hide play bar. So when you enable this one, you cannot see a play bar option on your embedded YouTube video. That means they cannot see the pause icon, forward icon, or anything on your website. So hide suggested videos. So after your videos is successfully played, you can see there are a few more videos at the bottom will show up as a suggested option. So if you enable this one, that suggestion will not be shown. So disable play control. So if you enable this one, user cannot use forward or backward or play icon, and it will be disabled to the user. So this hide video information, hide the metadata information about the video. And if you enable this one, disable full screen, user cannot change from this custom size to the full screen mode, and they have forced to see this custom size alone. And this one is a modest branding. So if you enable this one, all the YouTube video logo will be gone. And disable keyboard control. So if you enable this disable keyboard control, user cannot use keyboard to make changes on your YouTube video. And this one is a force closed caption. So if you enable this one, even if you don't have a caption enabled on your video, it will be automatically enabled at the backend and show a CC to the viewers. And this too is particularly for web developer. You can ignore this one. So once you're done with your custom requirement, you can select or you can check or uncheck what are the options that you want to select. Once you're finalized, just click on the copy and you can go ahead and embed on your website or blog as you want. So that's all about this advanced video embedding. Thank you. Bye bye. I will catch you in the next video.